Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like and subscribe to our channel and this video so that you can keep track of all the other products of the week and all our other videos that we're doing at the moment. Right, so straight into it. This week's product of the week are the range of Winebuddy's 30 bottle kits by Young's. And there's a various range of different wine styles within this Winebuddy 7-day kit. One of our really popular kits, been around for a fair few years, and they really do ferment out in 5 days, clear in 2 days, and so it's ready to bottle in 7 days. You can drink it straight away. We always recommend leaving them in the bottles for at least a month before you drink them, and that'll help improve the flavour massively. We've also done another video on how to lift these Winebuddy kits up to the next level as well by adding some wine enhancer, so I'll put a link to that at the end of the video. Okay, so what are we doing for this week's product of the week? With the code POTW, if you put 4 of these into your basket, you'll get 5% off. So simply add 4 into your basket. Could be all Pinot Grigio, could be all Merlot, could be all Sauvignon Blanc, or you can do yourself a mix and match. But add 4 into the basket, use the code POTW, and you'll get 5% off this week. And that ends midnight on Sunday. Any questions, you know what to do in the comments down below, just ask, and I'll happily answer them for you. So for now, this week's product of the week, Winebuddy 30 bottle wine kits using the code POTW, and you'll get 5% off if you buy 4 or more. Anyway, cheers for now, happy brewing, see you next time.